Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to 3D Artist Pro, and in this tutorial we are going to be refining what clothes we have so we can move it into ZBrush. But first I am going to make a copy of this shirt and press Ctrl H to hide that, because it's a good idea to have a copy if the changes you made to your model or something you don't like, you have something to come back to. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to be looking at these indentations. So these could be anything, could be raven feathers, or just could be spikes coming out of her jacket. So the first variation we're going to make is the spikes. For that you need to just extrude this, move that in a bit. The next one we're gonna do is with one spacing. To move this point inside of it, so we have more stuff that we can work with. Good. So here we are going to get this part and turn off key faces together, extrude that out, get the offset a bit inward like that, and pull that out more, and just pull it to the side. You can see that not all of them are moving, which is something it does sometimes when symmetry is turned on, but you can just manually grab these and move it like that. So for the next step, I think we should add a bit more topology in here. Insert edge loop tool, insert edge loop tool, up over here, just so when her shoulder it bends, these spike things, they have enough topology to work. And when you hit smooth preview, you can see that this kind of stuff just hops back in like how it's supposed to. So I'd say it's fine, but let's just bring a bit more out of this spot in the center. Eliminating these faces, extrude them out, move them in. So yeah, I'm gonna move downwards with alternative faces this time, just so we have like a variation going on. Move that out, and then selecting these faces. Pull them out and adding an edge loop to them like this. There we go. One more time with these faces over here this time, and that should do it for a spike like thingies. Seem to have a lot of them coming out now, which is okay, I guess. I feel like I can fill in some blank spaces over here on the upward direction, just for a bit more variation. So I'm gonna grab this, and this. Okay, now we just need to do is start to cut out UVs and stuff. So starting off, maybe we can make this a bit more sharp at the end. Some of these faces can scale down a bit just for a sharper look to it, because I'm getting the feeling that it's a bit too wide at the top, not really giving you the feel that they're like spikes and stuff. Okay, yeah, that's better. Anyways, let's start by cutting out UVs now, and then we can just move this. First thing we're gonna do is we'll take this and should fill the whole loop. Press Ctrl B. Fraction of 0.1. Segment one more. Remove that. inside of it. There we go. We've got that nice looking crease happening, but I think this got moved the wrong way. So there's like a quick fix for that. Just deselect all of these with just those faces selected. Move that up. Now you got a pretty good crease happening. So from here, I think we have that seam line where we can put like cut for our UVs. It's pretty handy. Could have one right over here as well. Select that. Press Ctrl B again for beveling. 0.1. Just one segment. I'm gonna select that segment and scale that inward. There's a triangle happening right over here. So that's something we need. So you just remove that one. You still got a polygon. And can select these and use the slide edge tool to move them a bit closer. Like that, you can have that sharpened edge a bit more. On second thought, I think we could just leave that line in there so that we can move this inward as well. Right about here, down. Okay, Now let's get to what we are supposed to be doing. Which is cutting out the UVs. So for the UVs, let's go into the UV editor. Right now you see that this is like a jumbled up mess, and that's fine because that's how they're supposed to look like in the beginning before you've done any editing. So first thing you should do or look towards doing is applying one planar setup from the Z-axis. Project kind of gives you the whole thing, and now we just go in and cut in the seams, then just move those individually and you'll have yourself a nice UV unwrap. Just double check to make sure the whole loop is selected. Yep. Come in here, select this one as well. Select this. Don't need that or that. Click on cut. Now see, like, you've separated them into different shells. I'm gonna turn off symmetry because if you have that on, every time you move it, it's just gonna move the other part with that. And just be sure to turn it back on when you need to cut something again, so you're doing it like from both sides instead of one. Save yourself some time. So what we still need to do is separate the front portion from the back portion. So you can see that this part didn't get cut. It's an easy fix. So let's see. First thing we're going to do is just hit unfold. Let's do the same for this. And turn off symmetry. We have a lot of space right now, which I'm leaving for the skirt and the shoes because they're kind of sharing the same material, and also for the choker.